Teledyne FLIR Defense, a prominent innovator in advanced military technology, has been awarded a significant $15 million contract by Germany's Federal Office of Bundeswehr Equipment, Information Technology and In-Service Support, BANBW. This agreement aims to enhance Germany's defense reconnaissance capabilities through the acquisition of Black Hornet 4, BH4, nano-drones designed to improve situational awareness for highly mobile military units. This contract, scheduled for completion within 2 years, includes the supply of Black Hornet 4 systems, along with necessary components and comprehensive training for operators. To ensure seamless delivery and operational efficiency, Teledyne FLIR Defense is collaborating with European logistic partners ELP, GmbH, a Germany-based firm specializing in defense logistics and support. The Black Hornet 4 is recognized for its cutting-edge intelligence gathering capabilities, providing real-time surveillance while maintaining a discreet operational presence. Weighing a mere 70 grams, this ultralight UAV is specifically designed for small units maneuvering in challenging environments. Despite its compact size, the BH4 is equipped with a 12-megapixel daylight camera and a high-resolution thermal sensor, enabling effective reconnaissance in various lighting and weather conditions. Built for endurance and reliability, the Black Hornet 4 boasts a flight duration of over 30 minutes and an operational range of up to 2 kilometers. Even in adverse conditions such as heavy rain and wind speeds reaching 25 knots, the drone remains highly effective. Its advanced obstacle avoidance system further enhances its capability to navigate complex terrain safely, ensuring mission success without jeopardizing the operator or the system itself. Having already proven its value on the battlefield, including deployments with the Ukrainian military and operations against Russian forces, the Black Hornet 4 is a trusted asset in modern warfare. With over 33,000 units delivered to 45 nations, Teledyne FLIR Defense has solidified its reputation as a premier supplier of state-of-the-art reconnaissance drones. This latest contract with Germany underscores the growing demand for micro-unmanned aerial systems (UAS) in contemporary military strategy. As armed forces worldwide continue to emphasize precision intelligence and rapid response capabilities, Germany's adoption of the Black Hornet 4 signifies a strategic move to bolster its defense infrastructure. These nano-drones will empower the Bundeswehr with enhanced situational awareness, enabling more effective decision-making in fast-paced combat scenarios. By integrating this cutting-edge technology, Germany strengthens its tactical capabilities, reinforcing the effectiveness of its agile military units. The success of Teledyne FLIR Defense in securing this contract highlights a broader trend in military modernization, where advanced UAV systems are becoming essential tools for reconnaissance and battlefield management. As conflicts evolve and the demand for superior intelligence gathering solutions increases, platforms like the Black Hornet 4 will play a crucial role in shaping the future of military operations, ensuring that armed forces remain equipped with the technology needed to maintain a strategic edge in modern warfare.